Hello friends. I am going to show you how to solve AMD-V is not available error in Oracle VM VirtualBox. When I start virtual operating system. When I start the virtual OS on the newly installed Oracle VM VirtualBox, the VirtualBox error message window comes up. This is the error showing. All the settings of the virtual machine are fine. Now I am going solve this problem. Move mouse cursor to search bar. Find Windows features. Now comes up turn Windows features on or off. You can reach to here through control panel. Open control panel. Then programs, you can see turn Windows features on or off left side of this window. Scroll down, and find virtual machine platform, or something like Hyper-V. Remove check mark left side of virtual machine platform. Then click OK. Applying changes now. And restart your computer. Start VirtualBox again and try to start. Coming same error again. Error not solved. We need to more fix. Go to search bar. Enter CMD. Enter this command bcdedit/set hypervisorlaunchtype off. Copy this command from my video description. Now you receive replay, the operation completed successfully. Close CMD and restart PC again. Now I am trying to start virtual machine. Error doesn't come right now. The problem fixed. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.